Hey YouTube, this is how to change a heater core on a 93 F-150. Basically, you gotta unsnap the glove box right there, which basically there's two tabs that hold it in right here. Then you kind of squeeze the sides together, then it's just held on by here. Then you remove the mounting screws from this thing right here, and then you gotta take off that plate, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 something screws holding that plate in there. Catch you later. So now I've got the box removed. There's your heater core. This was the lid holding it on, and there's all the holes and everything. So now we gotta go over here. You can see all the condensation from the heater core. If you're wanting to know the signs and symptoms, it doesn't defrost. So now we gotta go right here and pull those. So now you got those hoses removed. And then you slide the heater core out, which basically pull towards you, then you just try to finagle it downwards and don't spill any coolant. So there you go. And there is the new heater core, which looks exactly the same brand as the last one that I put in there, which means this one's probably going to fail. Fuck. Anyway, it's going in. Now I got the new heater core all installed, and there, now time to just put everything back together. So